Okay, so you want to see your subscribers on YouTube? The solution is very simple. You have to go to the main screen of YouTube and go here in the left side, right here, and you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and look for YouTube Studio. So we press it, and here we have a lot of options like main panel, content, statistics, etc. The number of subscribers here, and scrolling down here, we have recent subscribers. So we press see all, and we can see all our subscribers, and we can change the days that they were subscribed, like last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365 days, and forever. So this is my only subscriber. So if this video was useful for you, I will ask you to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Easy way.